Hi, today I'm going to talk about jQuery selectors. Okay. jQuery selectors are one of the most important part of the jQuery library. Okay, jQuery selectors. jQuery selectors allow you to select and manipulate HTML elements. jQuery selectors are used to find or select HTML elements based on their name, ID, classes, types, attributes, values of attributes, and much more. It's based on the existing. It's based on the existing CSS Selector and its addition. It's based on the existing CSS selectors and its addition. It has some selectors, custom selectors. It has some custom selectors. All selectors in jQuery start with a $sign and parentheses. The element selector. The jQuery element selector selects the jQuery element selector selects the jQuery element selector selects elements based on the element name. You can select all p tags and elements on a page like this. With this form, I can select I can select all p elements like this. Example: when a user clicks on a button, all p elements will be hidden. This part is for wait the document is fully loading, and then it can perform this jQuery. This is my script. If I go, this is select all P elements and hide. All P elements are hiding. The ID selector, the jQuery ID selector, the jQuery ID selector use the ID attribute as attribute of an HTML tag to find a specific element. An ID should be unique within a page, so you should use the char ID selector when you want to find a single unique element. To find an element with a specific ID, write a hash character write a hash character followed by the ID of the element of the HTML element. This is for class. No, this is for ID. Example: when a user clicks on a button, the unique element with ID text will be hidden. When a user clicks on a button, there are two P elements. The second element have an ID, so this is the element is gonna hide. It's gonna to be hiding. So the second P element is hiding. The class selector, the .class selector. The jQuery .class selector finds elements with a specific class. To find elements with a specific class, write a period. Write a period character followed. Write a period character followed by the name of the class, like this. Example: when a user clicks on a button, and the elements with class text will be hidden. When a user clicks on a button, the elements of text class will be hidden. So the title and first paragraph. Title and first paragraph are hidden. More examples of jQuery selector. This is the other video. This is for other video. See you in the next video.